Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to Quest Bites. I am your host, Corinne Cahill. Feels a little bit like Valentine's Day today, but why not? I'm glad you're joining me this morning because today we are going to be making our own heart models to learn how our heart works. Super fun, super easy, but first we're going to go ahead and play our favorite game, Spot the Quapple. I'll put 30 seconds on the clock. The Quapple, of course, is our education logo right there. The apple with the Quest Q in it. There are 5 hidden in this picture for you to find. So I'll start the clock, 30 seconds. And just give you some time to find those this morning. Let me know if you're able to spot them all. I went full Valentine's Day here. I thought this would be fun. So 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you find them all? Here they are. All circled here across the Valentine's Day section. Makes me kind of want candy. Is it too early for candy? I think it's okay if I have candy now, but I'd have to go to the store. So today we are going to be making our own heart models. So what are you going to need for that? Let us see. You'll need a small jar, 2 bendy straws, a balloon, tape, water, and red food coloring. Of course, you could use any color, but I thought since our blood is red that I would use red. So let's see how you set this up. First, fill your jar or glass halfway with water and add some of that red food coloring or whatever color you like. Just 1 little drop, and then mix it all up so that you have your blood ready to pump out of your heart. You're going to want to blow up your balloon to stretch it out, and then you'll cut the neck off. That top part is going to stretch over your cup. This may take a little bit of time, and you may want to have extra balloons in case you rip one. But once you have it on there, you will have a parent help you. Take a toothpick or scissors to cut some holes. One right at the edge and another about 1 inch away. You want them pretty small. Then you're going to stick your straws through. You want that hole to be tight so that it closes in around the straw. You may also want to put some tape around the bottom so you don't have extra air coming out. And you want that bendy part on the top. Once you have that done, you'll take the neck of the balloon that you set aside to cover up the opening of the hole. Now, ready to pump, but I can't just show you that. I have to explain more about how our hearts work. The cardiovascular system delivers nutrients throughout our body. The 3 main parts are the heart, blood, and blood vessels. The blood is what keeps the rest of our body alive. It needs to be continuously pumped through by our heart. The pumping we'll be doing on the balloon mimics how our heart pumps in our bodies. The balloon on the straw works like the valves on the heart. It opens when you push down on the pump and closes as you release. That's what lets the blood flows up through the open straw, but like in our body, prevents it from coming back into our heart because it's bent. So let us see. This, of course, a very simplified model. There's a lot going on here, as you can see, that I'm not explaining. But the human heart has a lot more than just that single valve and 2 blood paths. But I hope this gave you a basic understanding of how our hearts pump blood. So we're pretty much giving this cup CPR. You know, who knows how to do CPR in here? You're pumping on the balloon and getting heart into the rest of your body, which is this pan. I put the pan there because I did not want blood on my table. You could put another cup to catch that blood in, but of course, making your own heart model is pretty fun, right? You can use any color. You can add glitter. I always say you can add glitter. If you want unicorn blood, I'm sure unicorn blood would have glitter, right? We'll put the instructions in the comments so that you can try this lesson at home. Send us your pictures and videos of the heart pumps that you're able to create. We won't be here tomorrow because we have transitioned to Monday, Wednesday, Friday for Quest Bites now that school is out. But be sure to come back on Friday because we still need STEM in the summer. We'll be learning about the power of water by creating our own water wheels, which is perfect for playing out in the pool or with the hose. So until next time, continue onward with your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.